Ever wondered how to monetize your social media platforms and grow your YouTube subscribers? In the digital age, your online presence can be more than just a place to share selfies and food pics. It can be a powerful tool to generate income. The potential benefits range from financial independence to personal branding and beyond. But how do you tap into this potential? How can you turn likes, shares, and subscribers into dollars and cents? Stay tuned to find out how you can turn your social media into a money-making machine. To kick off, it's crucial to understand what monetization means in the digital world. Simply put, monetization is the process of earning revenue from your online content. This content could be a blog, a podcast, a website, or in our case, a social media platform. The primary goal of monetization is to translate your digital efforts into a stream of income. Now, how does it work on social media platforms? Well, there are several ways to monetize. One common method is through brand partnerships, where you promote a brand's products or services to your audience. Another is through sponsored content, where companies pay you to create content that highlights their brand or product. There are also options like affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Now that we have a basic understanding of monetization, let's dive into the steps of how to monetize your social media platforms. The first step towards monetizing your social media is to build a strong online presence. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but it's surprising how many people overlook the importance of a strong, engaging, and unique brand. Your brand is not just your logo or tagline, it's the whole package. It's the way you communicate, the values you uphold, and the experience you offer to your followers. Your brand should be a reflection of who you are, what you stand for, and what sets you apart from the crowd. But having a strong brand is just the start. You need to amplify your brand through engaging content. So, how do you increase engagement? Well, it all boils down to understanding your audience. Know what they like, what they dislike, what they need, what they aspire to. Once you've got a good understanding of your audience, you'll be in a better position to create content that resonates with them. Content that they'll want to share with their own followers. And then, there's the importance of consistency. Consistency in the quality of your content, consistency in your posting schedule, consistency in your brand voice. You see, social media is a fast-paced world. If you're not consistently showing up on your followers' feeds, you risk being forgotten. But, consistency shouldn't come at the expense of quality. Always aim for high-quality content. Remember, it's better to post less frequently, but with high-quality content, than to post mediocre content more frequently. Building a loyal following is another key aspect of monetizing your social media. A loyal following is more likely to engage with your content, share it, and even purchase your products or services. So make sure you're not just gaining followers, but also nurturing relationships with them. Show them that you value their support. Engage with them. Respond to their comments. Show appreciation for their shares and likes. Remember, the key to monetizing your social media is to stay consistent and keep your audience engaged. Make your followers feel seen and heard. After all, without them, there would be no one to monetize. Now let's shift gears and talk about growing your YouTube subscribers. This is a crucial part of monetizing your channel. The more subscribers you have, the wider your reach, and the greater your potential to earn. It's not just about numbers though. A large following on YouTube can help you build a community, spread your message, and even open doors to partnerships and collaborations. It's a game changer. Stay tuned to learn how to grow your YouTube subscribers. Growing your YouTube subscribers starts with creating high-quality, engaging content. This is the foundation of your YouTube journey. It's like building a house. You need a solid foundation to support the structure. Similarly, your content is the foundation that will support your growing subscriber base. Now let's talk about consistency. Consistency is a fundamental aspect of growing your YouTube subscribers. It's not just about uploading videos frequently, it's about setting a schedule and sticking to it. This way, your subscribers know when to expect new content from you. Think of it like your favorite TV show. You know it comes on every Tuesday at 8, so you're ready and waiting. Your subscribers will do the same for your content if you give them a consistent schedule. Next, let's talk about optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. Your title should be catchy and relevant to the content of your video. It should make people want to click on it. Your description should provide more information about the video and include relevant keywords to help your video appear in search results. And your thumbnail? It's the first thing people see. It should be visually appealing and accurately represent the content of your video. Interacting with your audience is another crucial aspect of growing your YouTube subscribers. respond to comments on your videos, engage with your viewers on social media, ask for their opinions, and make them feel a part of your YouTube journey. This not only helps you to build a community around your channel, but also makes your viewers more likely to subscribe and stay subscribed. And lastly, always remember to ask your viewers to subscribe. It may seem obvious, but sometimes people need a little nudge. A simple call to action at the end of your video can work wonders. Remember, the key to growing your YouTube subscribers is to provide value to your viewers and keep them engaged. Keep these points in mind, and you'll be on your way to a thriving YouTube channel. To wrap up, monetizing your social media platforms and growing your YouTube subscribers is a journey, not a destination. We've walked you through the process of getting started with monetization, providing step-by-step instructions on how to turn your online presence into a viable income stream. We've also delved into the art of growing your YouTube subscribers, offering tangible tips and tricks to boost your audience. The key takeaways here are the significance of consistency, engagement, and providing real value to your audience. Remember, consistency is about regularly delivering content that resonates with your audience. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and make them feel valued. Above all, your content must provide value. It should inform, entertain, or inspire. These strategies aren't overnight miracles. They require patience, dedication, and a willingness to adapt. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to monetize your social media platforms and grow your YouTube subscribers. So, what are you waiting for? Start your monetization journey today.